position in India and first and only woman Prime Minister of India.
She was born on 19 November 1917 at Allahabad. She was the only daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru. She became a very popular prime minister and was known as a popular leader throughout her political journey. During her reign, Indira Gandhi took many such decisions that were quite challenging for a woman in those times and even beyond the people's imagination. Indira Gandhi was known for her leadership skills. She had firm determination and strong willpower. She was the woman behind defeating Pakistan in 1971. Her bold decisions during the prime minister term were greatly admired.
Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa is one of the greatest humanitarians the world has ever produced. Her entire life was devoted to surviving the poor and needy people. She spent a major time of her life in church.
She is a lady of great caliber who spent her whole life surviving the poor and needy people. Although she was not an Indian, still she came to India to help its people. She was an angel of hope for the people. She established a dispensary for poor people to die in peace. Due to her good deeds, she earned great respect of Indians.
Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was an Indian political activist and poet. She was a proponent of civil rights, women's emancipation and anti-imperialistic ideas. She was an important figure in India's struggle for independence from colonial rule. Naidu's work as a poet earned her the sobriquet the Nightingale of India or Bharat Kogila by Mahatma Gandhi because of color, imagery, and lyrical quality of her poetry.
Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi is one of the renowned personalities. Kiran Bedi is famous as the first female IPS officer. She is a soul of courage and fearlessness. Also, she is famous for her honesty in the service. She had served India effectively for almost 35 years. Kiran Bedi has introduced meditation in the jail to make everyone peaceful. In fact, she has brought many reforms in the prison to show the right path of life to the criminals. She had helped many women and men to overcome their fear. Kiran Bedi gave the best guidance and assistance to the people who were ruining their life due to some habits.
Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was an American astronaut engineer and the first woman of Indian origin to go to space.
She first flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997 as a mission specialist and primary robotic arm operator. In 2003, Chawla was one of the 7 crew members who died in the Space Shuttle Columbia disaster when the spacecraft disintegrated during its re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. Chawla was posthumously awarded the Congressional Space Medal of Honor, and several streets, universities, and institutions have been in her honor. She is regarded as a national hero in India.
Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal was an Indian mountaineer who became the first Indian woman to reach on the Mount Everest in 1984.
Pal was born into a rural working class family. A gifted student, she encountered stiff opposition from her family and relatives when she decided to opt for a career as a professional mountaineer. She soon found success in her chosen field, however. After submitting a number of smaller peaks, she was selected to join India's first mixed-gender team to attempt an expedition to Mount Everest.
beginning its ascent in early May 1984. Her team almost met disaster when an avalanche buried its camp and more than half the group was forced to abandon the ascent because of injury or fatigue. Pal and the remainder of the team pressed on and she reached the summit on May 23, 1984. She was awarded the third highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan, by Government of India in 2019.
Pratibha Patil is an Indian politician who was served as the 12th President of India from 2007 to 2012.
Pratibha Patil was the first woman to serve as the President of India. She joined the Indian National Congress and entered politics in 1962 as a member of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. While there, she held the portfolio of Public Health and Social Welfare and distinguished herself for her loyalty to her party. She previously served as the Governor of Rajasthan from 2004 to 2007.
Fatima Bibi is a former judge of the Supreme Court of India. She was appointed to the Apex Court in 1989 and became the first female judge to be a part of the Supreme Court of India. On her retirement from the court, she served as a member of the National Human Rights Commission and later as the Governor of the Indian state of Tamil Nadu from 1997 to 2001.